What up, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Luke Evan Brooks, and welcome to another edition with Cooking with Luke and Friends. Now, this is a special series that I'm doing. I went to Thailand and I really got to explore the area. Not just that we're talking about food, but we're talking about the culture. We're talking about the health. We're talking about all the things that people want to know about Thailand. Now, I need you to subscribe. It's important that you subscribe because on this special series, I'm going to be uploading for 30 days content that's gonna really get you energized. So it's very critical that you do that. Now I'm gonna show you the different foods that they have, what I was eating, all that good stuff that you want to know. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna be 100 with you, as they say. So you don't want to miss out. Now the best way to do this is to go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the show. And as we say, we're about to get this thing cracking. So watch this.
Out here, you will get a lot of people get massages. I would recommend you get massages. Now, I'm not talking about once a day, or I won't say once a day. You can do that once a day. This is the typical price of a massage. So you're probably looking at $3 massage, $10 massage. Compare this to $40, you're not paying that much. So it's not crazy. I think it's pretty interesting. They got different prices, so you don't have to be going to the first one you see. You can shop around. And you find that person, you go with them. Let's see what else they got. So let's walking down here. Other questions I'm gonna answer here too. Everyone's like massage. Now I will tell you this: you probably will have lady boys that have been brought up. Have you seen lady boys? Yes, you will see them in abundance. In Bangkok, you'll see more of them out there than out here in Pattaya, as far as being out. And they are aggressive. And what I mean by that, they would walk up on people, grab them as if they're, you got to hear the voice. Now, what happens if they grab you? And I mean grab your arm and shit like that. Hey, let me talk to you. Just like a woman would talk to a girl or a boy, I mean. And the thing was, you gotta ask the question. I was telling my boy that today, ask the questions. Or just be direct. And then if they tell you, don't be like, oh, get off of me, you blah, blah, blah. Because you can get your ass whooped. Again, you're in another country. You're not in the United States. So, hey, so you will deal with that, right? You will deal with that. So there ain't no getting around that. You're gonna see that. I actually was eating at a restaurant the other day, and they had a pageant that came through the restaurant because they had some type of event. They had a table set up and everything, and they came out, and someone told me, hey, that is what it is. And I see serious, and they film it, and I did film it, so you'll see what I'm talking about. And I want to see if you could tell who's the boy from the girl. I remember a show like that on Maury and say, is it a he or she? And people had that all jacked up. You would definitely get it jacked up unless you do the clues that I'm talking about. Now, don't go in there and do no crocodile Dundee and go fill someone's stuff, right? I'm not telling you to do that. What you do, you listen to a voice. And that voice is deep. You're not gonna hear no time with a deep voice. Like, I ain't talking like, hey, deep. And I ain't talking about no baritone. I don't even like my voice. Any hint of deepness, that should be a flag. Now, you may not be able to get away with that because you're in a club, you're somewhere loud. Look at gestures, look at what they're doing. I'll look at how people act. That's the main thing. If you're acting a little bit too loud as a female and the music ain't popping like that hard, then it throws flags to me, right? So, for instance, we went out to a club, then we went out to the club. When we went out, they were talking. They were talking like, where I would say she was talking. And the voice I couldn't hear because the club, remember, loud. Heard, but I didn't hear no deepness or anything like that. And then height, that's another thing. You're not gonna really have too many Thai girls or Thai women being extra tall. You're not gonna typically see that. You might, and I had a friend, that's the thing threw me off too. I had a friend with just like the person, like almost spitting image. So I thought, okay, this was a girl. Oh, girl's a girl who does my feet in barbering. And then ask the question, because you gotta have some steps and sets, all right? No taxi, guys. So you gotta have steps and sets, right? My steps and sets came into play like this. Looked at the person, they got past me on that one. Talk, hands. I didn't look at the feet. You gotta look at the feet too. Feet give it away. Unless she been playing damn volleyball, but she's skinny, they don't add up. or athletic track star.
So guys, I thank you for tuning in to another edition of Cooking with Luke and Friends. I had to cut it off as I promised to you. I was going to break this down in segments, so you got to stay tuned as I talk about the street food that I'm about to go to here in Koreatown. I hope that you like the video. I hope that you go ahead by liking it, give me thumbs up, commenting down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share the message. I just want to let you know that we popped to 1,000 subscribers, and we're going to keep pushing on forward. And I appreciate the audience for listening to my channel and just enjoying it. Again, my name is Mr. Luke Evan Brooks. I'll see you next time. Take care. I have a cookbook. Just look right over here. There's a cookbook right here. You go here, check out the cookbook. It's great, the greatest meals that you could possibly think of as far as your restaurants, like your Chick-fil-A's, your McDonald's, your TGI Fridays. I break those down and I show you exactly how to make those meals at your home. So guys, again, I thank you. Don't forget to check me out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give me those likes, guys. If you want to see something else, just go ahead and comment down below. If you say, hey Luke, I like this or I don't like this, I take that feedback and I try to get you what you want, okay? All right, guys. I see you on the other side. Take care.